We will proceed to resins. Resins are amorphous products of complex nature. These are amorphous mixtures of essential oils, oxygenated products of terpene and carboxylic acids found as exudations from the trunk of various trees. Most of the resins are heavier than water. They are transparent or translucent solids, semi-solids, or liquid substances containing large number of carbon atoms. They are insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol, volatile oils, fixed oils, chloral hydrate, and non-polar organic solvents like benzene or ether. They are hard, electrically non-conductive, and combustible masses. When heated, they soften and ultimately melt. They are usually formed in schizogenous or schizolysogenous cavities or ducts as end products of metabolism. Chemically, they contain organic acids, alcohols, esters, and neutral resins. Depending upon the type of the constituents of the resin, they are further classified as acid resin, ester resin, and resin alcohols. Resins and oils in homogeneous mixtures are called as oleoresins. Oleogum resins are the homogeneous mixtures of volatile oil, gum, and resin. If the resin contains benzoic acid and or cinnamic acid, it is called as a balsam. Resins are broadly classified under major categories. First, taxonomical classification. In here, resins are grouped according to their botanical origin exclusively, such as coniferous resins, Borderidaceae resins, and Zygophyllaceae resins. Next is chemical classification. Here, resins may also be classified as per the presence of the predominating chemical constituents. For instance, I have here acid resins, ester resins, resin resins, resin alcohols, and glycoresins together with their examples. For its pharmacological actions, most resins are antimicrobial and wound healing in animals and also in the plants that secrete them. Topical application of pine resin to wounds and burns has been shown to stimulate local immune function, normalize wound hemodynamics, and stimulate squamous epithelialization. And also, the gum resin of Boswellia serrata is well documented as an inflammation modulator that is helpful in asthma and ulcerative colitis. Furthermore, the gum resin of Commiphora mulmul is antiparasitic, analgesic, and antineoplastic.